Hi everyone, what I have for you today is a really quick, really easy hat ornament transformation. This is a Dollar Tree ornament and I'm going to turn it into this votive candle holder. So you'll need this ornament from the Dollar Tree. I picked this up when they first put them out and just didn't do anything with it. So I decided to transform it today. You'll need a white marker. I'm using this ornament ball marker, an exacto knife, a pair of scissors, and you'll also need one of these LED votive candles from Dollar Tree, or you could also use one of these mercury glass candle holders from Dollar Tree with a LED candle, which I'll show you later. So I'm just removing the tag off of the ornament now. I'm sorry if you hear squeaking, but Slash has his toy and he doesn't sit still. So I'm just going to use a pair of wire cutters to take the top off the ornament. I only picked up one of these ornaments when they put them out, and it was because I wasn't sure what I would do with it, and it's been sitting in my pile of Christmas stuff. But I think it's so cute. I just didn't, like I said, I didn't know what I wanted to do with it. And then I got this idea. So the top of the hat is a solid block of styrofoam. And you'll see it's going to take a little bit of elbow grease to hollow it out. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking the candle holder that I want to use and I'm going to trace it on the top of the hat because I want the opening to fit snugly. I don't want it too small that the candle holder won't fit there, and I don't want it too big to where it could fall out. And you'll see in the end, this does get like a really snug fit with the candle holder. So now what I'm going to do is take my exacto knife and with a slicing motion go around the line that I drew to just have a starting point to hollow out that styrofoam. And now I'm just loosening up the styrofoam even more using the scissors. And kind of a bending motion to kind of loosen it up a little more, make it easier to scoop out. And you can see that's just solid styrofoam. So I go and get a spoon to help kind of dig it out, excavate the styrofoam out of there. And once it's all out, you'll see that there's you can see the bottom. There's still a little styrofoam left, but not enough to where it's going to keep me from putting the votive in. So I'm going to turn this on, and this particular LED gives off a steady white light in a mercury glass look. And there you have it. Super simple, really quick, and it's a great way to transform a Christmas ornament into winter decoration, because even though Christmas is about to come and go, it's still going to be winter, and this can still be a winter hat. So if you don't have this LED votive, you can just use another votive. Again, this is one from a pack of 2 from Dollar Tree that has a mercury glass look, and this one is actually glass. The other one is plastic. And then you'll use one of these LED votive candles to put in, and this one has a warm flickering light, so it has like the effect of a real flame, and that's what that looks like. So this is just a really quick, really simple, easy DIY, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is what it looks like on the mantle, and I prefer the white light in it, so that's what you see here is the LED votive with the white light from Dollar Tree. Everything is from Dollar Tree. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I look forward to seeing you again on my next video. Have a wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you sooner than the new year, but Happy New Year as well. Thank you. Oh, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful holiday. Bye-bye.